With the Smart Oven Air Fryer XL's clever pizza function, homemade pizza will quickly become a favorite in your household. Insert the wire rack into position 7 and close the oven door. Use the Confirm dial to select the pizza function on the LCD screen. The top numbers showcase the preset pizza temperature, and the bottom figures show the preset time. You can see here that the convection and frozen settings also display. If you're working with a frozen base, use the frozen setting. Otherwise, select convection. You may notice the set cooking temperature will recalibrate to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. Using the temperature dial, set your desired temperature. Then adjust the cooking duration with the time dial. Press the Start/Stop button to activate the Air Fryer XL oven's pizza function. And once it's preheated, you're ready to go. You can also engage the Rotate Remind feature and be reminded to rotate the base for even cooking results. At the end of the timer, if you'd like your pizza to be slightly darker, you can press the A Bit More button to run the oven for a bit longer for your desired result. Whether it's freshly made or store-bought dough, or even a frozen pizza, it's all simple with the pizza function. Would anybody else like a slice?